All right, beautiful set of people, welcome back to another edifying tutorial on how you can shop on Weidian app. Get to meet me. Of course, my name is Samuel Joshua and I'm the CEO of Zionhublogistics Limited. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at how you can add your warehouse address. Of course, when we look at warehouse address, is a topic on its own and is a video on its own. That's why I have to just take time to edit and to sit down to record this video. Okay, so I've basically, in my previous tutorial, I've basically talked about how you can download and sign up on Weidian app and what Weidian app is all about. I've recorded the video on it, so I don't need to start introducing this app to you anymore. So what you want to do is to go back to the previous tutorial, go and watch the previous tutorial so you can understand how you can get your account done and how you can also sign up for this account. That having been said, now let's assume you've gotten your account. How do you add your warehouse address and how does warehouse address work and where do you input your warehouse address? These are what we are going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we dive into the practical session of this tutorial, my name is Samuel Joshua and I'm the CEO of Zionhublogistics Limited. We handle stuff that have to do with procurement services. If you want us to help you buy from any Chinese app down to your country, we can help you handle it with a token. And of course, if you want us to help you create an account, get your Alipay funded, we are also available for exchange services. Okay, so these are the services we render. Now let's look at how to get our warehouse address. Of course, we have, let me assume you've gotten your warehouse address and you've gotten the address you want to use. How do you input it on this platform? This is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this tutorial. So what you want to do is to subscribe first. After subscribing, like the video and also comment, okay, if this video is going to be helpful to you. And we record everything that have to do with importation business generally, e-commerce business generally, so you can check out our channel for more videos like this. And of course, I've recorded a video that have to do with another platform called Ziyun app. On this Ziyun app, you can get all sorts of gadgets related, used bags, used products from this platform, and is very, very good enough to do what? To start making your purchase from. So without further more ado, let's dive into the practical session. Okay, I've already registered through our previous tutorial. That's why I have the full access to the app. Now you can see we have different quality products on this platform. You can see we have different designs of shoes, bags, and everything you want to make purchase for. So in this tutorial, let's look at how you can add your warehouse address. Okay, now I've recorded a video on how you can also get your warehouse address from Jipu, from 𝐶𝐽𝐳, and from Mulibuy. Okay, so you can get your warehouse address from them and make your purchase from this platform yourself without involving them to help you make your purchase. We all know that with Yupu, they can help you make purchase. You can also use their warehouse address and they can also help you with the shipment. But what if you can save the cost yourself by just making the purchase yourself, by adding your warehouse address with this video, and also by making your purchase so the supplier can ship to the address that you are giving to them directly. Okay, so now how do you get your warehouse address? If you're watching this video outside of Nigeria, outside of African country, you can get your warehouse address from Jipu. Of course, Jipu is a platform that you can use to shop online. They can help you handle your consolidation services and the shipping services. Okay, so you can choose to get your warehouse address from them. Okay, then you can also get your warehouse address from 𝐶𝐽𝐳. Okay, from 𝐶𝐽𝐳, we also have services like purchasing services. They can help you make your purchase from A to Z. All what you want to do is just to come to this app, click on anything you want to buy, copy the link by clicking on this copy link here, paste it on 𝐻𝐾𝐽, and they are going to help you make your complete purchase, right? Then we also have Buy. You can also copy it and paste it to Buy directly, but that's not what we are looking at in this video. Let's assume you want to buy to your shipping address directly. Maybe you've already have your shipping company that you want to use your Chinese warehouse address. How do you input it on this platform for you to be able to buy? That's what we are looking at. And how do you get to do that? Let's get into it properly. But if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share. Now let's look for a product to buy. Under this section here, this is their marketplace. This is where you seems to see available shoes on this platform, available products on this platform, available things you can buy on this platform. Okay, so let's say I want to buy this platform, let's say I want to buy this shoe for 5 RMB, which I'm not sure this shoe is 5 RMB. Maybe it's just for a clickbait, right? So this is review. These are reviews from sellers and buyers that have made a purchase from this platform. So let's say I want to purchase this shoe. I want to add, the first thing you want to do is to chart the supplier, right? You can chart the supplier with this column here. If you click on the column, it's going to take you to the supplier's DM, so you can start your conversation from here. Now let's add our warehouse address, or let's go and make this purchase. Just click on this red guy here. Once you click on it, it's going to redirect you here to choose your size. So I'm just going to choose my size as 40 or 39. Now the next thing here is to select your shipping address where we are presently circling here. Of course, I want to use Sky Cargo Limited. Here with this app, they ship directly to my country. Okay, so I've recorded a video on available shipping method, available shipping companies that they ship from different countries. So I'm going to be leaving the video under the description button of this tutorial, so you can watch and learn. Now these are products that I've already shipped, that has already been sent out. You can see here, these are details about these products that I've used about this shipping company. So you can just check under the description button to watch the tutorial on how I was able to use this guy and their shipping services. So let me get my warehouse address here. So you can see here, I already have my consolidation address. So I'm just going to one click here. Then once I tap on one click, I'm going to go back to this app to come to my shipping address here. And here, this is instructions for you to follow, right? So first thing here, we are going to screenshot here, then go to my Google Translator. This is my Google Translator here. Then I'm going to upload this guy here to translate this page for us. So this first page here says consigning name, which is your name or the receiver's name. Then this mobile number is the receiver's phone number, which is always included in your address. Then this area here is the area that your shipping company is located at. Why the details address is what is the address here. But however, you can paste it here. You can paste all the information here, and once you paste it here, then you click on intelligent identification, which is what we are going to be doing. So I'm going to just copy all the warehouse address here and paste it here. Once I paste it here, it's going to once I tap this icon here, it's going to automatically fill it in itself. So you can see it has automatically fill in everything. And what I'm going to be doing next is to save this warehouse address. So I'm going to tap on save. So once I tap save, you can see here that our warehouse address has now been added. So the next thing now is to proceed in making our purchase. Okay, so I'm not going to be making this purchase from this tutorial, simply because this tutorial is titled how to add your warehouse address, which I believe I've already added my warehouse address. Now if I want to go ahead in making purchase for this phone or any product at all, I can easily see my warehouse address from the platform, right? So let's look for another product here. Is going to show us that automatically that we've already added our warehouse address on the platform. So you can see now that we can always have access to our address here. You can add as much as possible warehouse address. Okay, so that's how you can add your shipping address on Weidian app. Okay, so in my next tutorial now, we are going to be looking at how you can make your purchase successfully on this platform. All right, so if you haven't watched the video on how you can get your detailed shipping company address, which is warehouse address, that will help you ship the item directly to your location or to your country, watch this video showing on your screen right now, and make sure you follow us, subscribe to our channel for more helpful video like this. So I hope you find value in watching to this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial. Bye and peace out.